What happened? You still confused? You have been Wall of China so many times.
Huh?
You have been Wall of China so many times.
So many times.
Yeah, this is your 10th time, I think.
This is the new, the older street. This is the new street.
Oh, this is new. What is the speed of this train? Do you know the speed? What is the speed? 100 km per hour?
400?
400?
I don't know. Maybe 700.
Same-
Maybe
same-
700. Maybe 200, 300. I don't know.
Same kind of train goes to the Shanghai or different train?
Different.
Different 400 km per hour.
Yeah.
We have seat number?
7.
Oh, 7. How are you feeling now? New experience with me?
How you feel now?
Sorry?
The speed you can see in the screen. In the
Alright. Train is going to finish. This one, yeah.
14.
44. Nice. Yo. Yeah.
Oh,
This is my. Oh, again.
Oh yeah.
I'm making the videos
It's okay.
from England. What's your name?
Callum.
Callum, yeah.
Yeah, nice to meet
So
you.
Wall of China this time. Okay.